how to buy crypto in Trust Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can buy crypto in Trust Wallet, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to basically buy crypto in Trust Wallet, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Trust Wallet application here, and then just make sure to go ahead and then sign into your account. Then once you sign into your account, you're going to be able to see this type of interface. Now what you can do from here is what you'd like to buy crypto. So to do that, you just want to make sure to tap the buy option that you can find here. Select a cryptocurrency that you would like to buy depending upon whatever it is, and once you have done that, enter the dollars worth of crypto that you would like to buy. Tap on buy with credit card or buy with Google Pay. Whatever else it is, you will be able to exchange it successfully. This way you'll be able to buy crypto in Trust Wallet. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.